Should you renovate or rebuild? Factors to help you decide. Deciding whether to renovate or rebuild your home. Here are key factors to consider before making your decision. First, check if demolishing your home is even an option. Local council laws might restrict demolishing older or historic homes. Next, assess your renovation requirements. The amount of structural work required may help determine whether to renovate or to build from the ground up. Consider your home's orientation. If it doesn't get optimal sunlight and can't be extended, renovation may not be ideal. Check your home's real estate value. Compare its current worth to its potential post-renovation or as a new build. Remember, building a new house from the ground up will have a larger overall cost as opposed to a large home renovation. Evaluate your home's structural soundness and potential repair costs. Thomas Custom Builders can help you decide. Contact us to discuss whether renovating or rebuilding is right for you.